Did you know that if you swipe faster on the watch face, you can swipe through multiple tiles at once? There you go. In media controls on Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can press and hold on the skip forward and backward buttons to fast forward or rewind. The track will fast forward, and if I press this button, it will rewind. In the app drawer, you can press and hold on one app and move it on the other one to create app folders. You can then also name these folders and also change their color. If you go into the timer app, you can create multiple timers at once and you can skip through them. So now we have 3 timers and you can skip through these multiple timers. And the fun thing is that you can also have these timers as complications on watch faces and they will show up live. And if you tap on this complication, it will open up all the timers for you. If you want to go to a particular setting quickly, you can scroll down and from here you can long press on the toggle of that setting. So here, if I long press on this always on setting, it will take me to always on display from where I can turn it on or off. If you go into the recorder app on your Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can then tap this button and it will convert your speech into text and that will be saved on your phone. You can also select the language and then start recording, and as you will record it, it will convert it into transcript and you can access that on your phone. On Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can also change the orientation of the display, so you can switch your watch from your left wrist to your right wrist and still have these buttons on the outside. So you will wear it like this. Now you can do that by going in settings, go in general, and then scroll up until you find orientation, and from here change it from left to right and then button position on left, and you will now see that the screen has rotated. So you will rotate it and wear it like this and still have buttons on the outside. In the Samsung Wear app, if you go in watch settings and then scroll down to go in device care, you will see this option called diagnostics. Tap on it and this will take you to the Samsung members app. Tap on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and then you get a list of all the sensors in your watch and you can run and check their status one by one to make sure that your watch is running optimally.